We ain't got all that. Pay attention. Look, I'm about to make me some pepper steak. This is what you gonna need. Hey y'all, we're back with another Cooking with Jazz recipe. I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. All right, I got my onions and my bell peppers right here. Instead of using regular garlic, I'm going to use roasted garlic. And this is filet mignon cubes cut up. I'm going to do some broccoli, olive oil, the Montreal steak, soy sauce, the beefy onion. I have the jasmine rice back here. I have the Better Than Bouillon, but this is the vegetable. Onion powder. I'm going to do adobo. And I have pepper. I'm going to go in with the olive oil. I'm using my cast iron. And then we're going to put the steak in. Alright, I'm going to season it while it's in the bowl. I got the onion. I don't have garlic powder, I got garlic salt, so we're going to just do a little bit of garlic salt. I'm going to do the adobo. I actually like adobo. Almost better than seasoned salt, so. And then we're going to go in with the Montreal steak. Alright, it's starting to get some color, so now we're going to add in our vegetables, the beefy onion, the Better Than Bouillon, and the soy sauce. Alright, all that's in. Now we're adding in the entire packet of the beefy onion. I actually love this. It's almost gone, so here we go. If y'all haven't had this is so good, y'all. It's literally better than bouillon, like literally. Alright, we're adding in 1 cup of water. Okay, we're going to cover it and we'll leave it for about 1.5 hours. So I just took the top off and the meat is sticking to the bottom. I thought I actually put a lot of oil in it, but as y'all can see, it's like sticking a lot. Maybe I should have put more water. But I'm gonna just cut it off and I am going to try it and see how it tastes. Alrighty. I was hoping it didn't burn through the paper plate. I don't feel like wasting a whole plate for this, but this is what it's looking like. Should I cut it up? It tastes good. I feel like it should be like juicier because as y'all saw, it was like burning in the pot. So I probably should have put more water in it. That's the only thing I could think of. I put oil, but put more oil in it from the beginning. But as y'all saw, I put a lot of oil into it. It tastes good. I thought it would be more peppery, but I mean, I actually put like a lot of pepper in it because I wanted that pepper taste. It doesn't taste like peppery. The vegetables has it for sure. The vegetables, 10 out of 10, I would say for sure. So this overall recipe, even though I didn't have the Worcestershire and like the wine and like the beef Better Than Bouillon base, whatever, I think it's still good. I would give it like an 8 out of 10, only because I expected it to taste more peppery. The steak itself just tastes like steak with like some type of gravy of some sort. But I think it's good. I think the recipe was super easy to follow. The price of it wasn't too bad. I already had a lot of stuff in my cabinet already, as you guys can see. Like the better than bouillon vegetable base. I already had that, so I didn't go out and like go buy the beef one. So I didn't have to get too many different things. Like the rice I already had, and the only thing I really had to buy was the steak and the Lipton beef packet, and onions and bell peppers. Was there anything else I had to get? I think that was it. Everything else I already had in the fridge or I had in the cabinet. So yeah, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. If you guys want to try it, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys in another review. Bye.